Let's discuss some important mineral sources and methods of recovery of some commercially important metals. Let's start with the first one, that is titanium. The principal minerals of this is ilmenite, that is FeTiO3, and rutile, that is titanium dioxide, TiO2. These are the important minerals, principal minerals for the titanium metal. And how to recover titanium metal out of that? So we have rutile ore. First, it is reduced by using carbon and chlorine gas. So carbon will reduce this titanium oxide to titanium, then titanium reacts with chlorine to form titanium tetrachloride, that is TiCl4. So this carbon is reducing this titanium dioxide to titanium, and this titanium is again reacting with chlorine to form TiCl4, and carbon will react with oxygen to form CO. This is the balanced reaction. Now we will reduce this titanium tetrachloride with reducing agent like sodium or magnesium. These are very good reducing agent, that is alkali metal and alkaline earth metal. So we'll get titanium, and sodium can form sodium chloride or magnesium will form magnesium chloride. So titanium has got reduced here. So we are getting this titanium metal. This metal will be pure, then we will do the Van Arkel method to purify that. So we have Van Arkel for titanium and zirconium to purify that impure titanium which is obtained here. Let's move to the next. We have chromium. The principal ore for this is chromite, and the formula is FeCr2O4. This is the chromite ore. Method of recovery is very simple. We have to reduce it by using carbon. So we'll do the carbon reduction basically. Carbon will reduce this to form iron, chromium, and itself will get oxidized to carbon monoxide. So this is the method of recovery of chromium from this chromite ore, that is reduction by carbon. Let's move to the next. We have molybdenum, and the principal ore is molybdenite, that is molybdenum sulfide, MoS2. Okay, method of recovery is simple. First we do roasting of that. So molybdenum sulfide will convert to oxide ore, that is molybdenum trioxide, and sulfur dioxide gas will be evolved. So this is the roasting of molybdenite. Then we'll do reduction of this molybdenum trioxide with iron. Iron is having strong affinity towards oxygen, so it is having more affinity towards oxygen than molybdenum. So iron will remove the oxygen from the molybdenum trioxide to form Fe2O3, and molybdenum will get reduced to molybdenum metal. Okay. Or another method is molybdenum trioxide can also be reduced by using hydrogen, because hydrogen is also a very good reducing agent. So it will form molybdenum and water. So in the case of molybdenum, molybdenite is first roasted to form molybdenum trioxide, and then we can do metallothermic reduction, that is the reduction of molybdenum trioxide by using another metal like iron, because iron has more affinity towards oxygen as compared to molybdenum. Or we can reduce molybdenum trioxide by using hydrogen. Okay. Let's see the tungsten. We have next metal, that is tungsten. The principal mineral is sealite, that is SCH-EELIT, sealite, and it is CaWO4. Okay, and another ore is wolframite. Wolframite, that is FeMnWO4 whole twice. This is the principal mineral from which tungsten can be, extracted. So sealite is first treated with hydrochloric acid. Okay, hydrochloric acid react with the calcium to form calcium chloride. Will react with the sealite to form finally, tungsten trioxide and water. Okay, so this is the overall product of this reaction with the hydrochloric acid. Now once you got tungsten trioxide, that is WO3, we have to simply now reduce it by using the hydrogen. Hydrogen is a good reducing agent. It will reduce it to tungsten metal and itself will get oxidized to water. So this is the method of recovery of the tungsten from the sealite or wolframite. Okay, next we have manganese, and the principal ore is pyrolusite. This is pyrolusite, that is basically MnO2, manganese dioxide. Method of recovery is very simple. We do the carbon reduction in this case, and carbon will reduce this to manganese and itself get oxidized to carbon monoxide. Next we have nickel, and the nickel principal ore is pentlandite, that is pentlandite. This is basically iron nickel sulfide, FeNi 6x8. Okay, in this case basically method of recovery is nickel sulfide that is present in this pentlandite ore is treated with oxygen, and this converts this to nickel and SO2 gas. So that is the method of recovery of this nickel. So that's all about the important extraction method for few D block metals. Thank you.